Hello, and welcome to the course, Android App Compatibility, the complete K through P guide. I am very excited to be your instructor on this course and take you through the exciting journey of learning to develop Android applications that support versions P all the way back to K. Without further ado, let's get started. A little bit of information about myself. My name is Jonathan Davis. I graduated in 2017 with a bachelor's in software development. My specialty is Android development, and I've professionally been developing for Android since 2014 at a local engineering company in Blue Ash, Ohio. I have expertise in Android's Bluetooth APIs, so I'm very knowledgeable in using LE as well as SPP, and I have also released several tutorials on YouTube covering such topics as async tasks, loaders, list view, and accessing audio files on a user's Android device. All of the source code for my YouTube tutorials have been released on my GitHub, and I have included the links for both GitHub and YouTube in these slides. An overview of this course. Throughout, we will be learning about Android support libraries and the need of them to build applications that run on versions Android P all the way back to Android version Ice Cream Sandwich, which would be API level 14. The compatibility libraries, or as they're commonly known as the support libraries, is a collection of miniature libraries that allow developers to easily backport new features and functionality to versions of Android as low as Ice Cream Sandwich or API level 14. In addition to learning about the support libraries, we will actually be building a live application utilizing the support libraries that will deepen our understanding and appreciation of them. I've split the course up into several sections as a combination of live coding as well as learning about new components for Android support library. The first section, Introduction, I'll discuss Android fragmentation that actually necessitated the need of the support libraries. The second section, Design and Build, we will actually be building an application, a UI, using some support library components such as Recycler View and Constraint Layout. Section 3, we will be learning about DTOs and Room Persistent Library, which is a new component in Android's architecture components. For Section 4, we will be utilizing data binding to wire up the UI to the backend. In Section 5, we will be accessing the device's location at runtime to determine the location of a gas station fill-up. For Section 6, we will learn about scheduling recurring tasks using Work Manager for displaying a notification at the end of every month with a tally of one's gas expenditure. Prerequisites for this course: a strong understanding of object-oriented programming concepts, basic understanding of Java, preferably an understanding of Java's threading model as it'll come in handy later in this course, and a basic understanding of SQL. But besides that, you should be ready to go. Here's some resources. I've included a link to my GitHub page, which will include all of the source code for this application as we progress through this course, as well as a link to the SQL W3 Schools page that'll teach you some basic SQL concepts. It's a very simple language and shouldn't take you very long to get up and running. With that being said, I can't wait to get started with this course.